VW So what you want to do is remove it by removing a screw, a 30mm on the bracket, remove all the wires, pull it out. The next thing you want to do is take two screwdrivers like this and like this and pry this thing, remove the circlip and remove it by prying this out. I will show you how. But the most important is, let me show you. Yes, here is a metal thingy that sticks out. You better bite. Yes. You can see this edge. You want to grab it right there. So you don't pry like this on this metal part because you will bend it. You pry it on the sleeve. You will feel it. Now you can see I pull it up without touching this. So let's get started. So now I will take both of my screwdrivers, put one like this. They tend to get really stuck after all this years. I use penetrating fluid. It's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully they won't break. Safety first.
Ignition sequence starts.
Let's see that. I need to do this in slow motion.
Silent scan.
So, it flew away. I used the record to find where it was. It was right big. Crap. Yes, anyways. It's here. It did not damage, luckily. I lost the pin, but I'm lucky and I got a distributor. I parted out and the pin. Perfect. I also got a spare advance unit. This is for a DG. It's the wrong one for the Audi F. And I also got a body which has very almost no slack. Just needs to be cleaned up like this one. Anyways, so what you want to do now is the circlip was seized into this or something like this, or maybe I grabbed it with my pliers accidentally because I didn't focus on what I'm filming and not on what I'm doing. Anyway, and I may damage it, but they come with a repair kit, and I also got a spare one from the parted out Dizzy. Now you grab the thingy of it and very small. This will do the job. Now take another screwdriver to pry it up. You can also use a special tool, but I show you how to do it without one, so everybody can do this at home. So. No, yes, it got pretty mangled up. Now take a box. Put the parts you removed off. You can also check this by now, so you know that everything's okay. You can see it is not touching somewhere here, so it means that it's not bent. So now remove it again. I would suggest you to clean this part here and the shaft so they won't see some edges. Now what you want to do is the following thing. You want to remove the vacuum advance unit, and for doing this I'm using the bracket to hold it on my table because my dad broke my vise accidentally by using it. It was a nice Swiss-made aluminum vise. But anyways, accidents happen. Now turn it like this. So basically I turn it like this so you have access and you can see it. Tighten it up again so it won't move. Yes, you can see everything. Perfect. Take a screwdriver. One bolt is right here. Remove it like this. Don't lose the ground strap. This goes to your carb. And the other one is right here. Perfect. Also don't lose it. Keep in mind how it was previously. Now what you want to do is lay them by side and do it like this, and now put it down. You push it just down and off it comes. And this is also how you replace this unit. So now what you want to do is the following. First of all, you will remove this little guy here because it's in the way. The screw right here. I use a little bit of thread lock around them when reassembling. It keeps them from corroding, getting stuck in there. Because it's aluminum, there's another metal, and yes, different metal corrosion. Now you remove this little guy. Put it also by side. Put this by side. Also this by side, yes, perfect. Now what you want to do is remove this circlip right here. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it will probably take me a little. So right now I removed it. Remove the circle. Hopefully it won't get caught up somewhere. No, it won't. Perfect. Now take it, put it on a box so you don't lose it. Next thing you want to do is remove these two screws here. But they were tight. But anyways, remove the screws. Put it like this so you know where it was, so you don't mess things up. The screw also. You also know where this was now. It's pretty easy. Take the screw, put it by side so you don't lose it. And the last thing you want to do is, let me show you. I don't know if you can see it. This is our little clip right here. This knob, you can see it, it's not one part. You want to pull it out. Go to the camera. This wasn't so smart. So what you want to do right now is, here you can see this knob. Guess I hope that you can see it. this thing here, and you take if you want to, you put it in between here. This is a small notch, like this, or a screwdriver, or whatever you like to. Look like this, and you pry it out. Put it like this. Now when a screwdriver fits in there, do it with a screwdriver. It's only a small clip, and it slowly comes out. Can you see it? Put. Doesn't matter. There's only two. So, what you want to do right now is lift it up. Wiggle the connector. You actually don't need to remove this. Doesn't matter. Pry this a little bit up. No. Come on. Perfect. Here is your hall sensor, and here's the inside of your Dizzy. And we'll wonder how one looks like. You want to loop this mechanism afterwards, but you also can do it from the side. It was kind of stuck together, and so I decided to take both out. But look, you can do it like this. And to also separate, you want to oil this part, or you can also grease it, whatever you like to do. There is a washer right here. When I'm right, yes, there is a washer, and here and over here there is also a washer. You can see how I move it. You want to grease this part also. So use some new oil. So we're going to clean it before doing anything. I know this is a little bit extreme, but it doesn't matter. Take a brush, some panel wipe, some degreaser, put a bowl under it so you can everything that's spilling. And you can see all the dirt coming out. Yeah, perfect. Now take your brush, dip it in some cleaner, and let's clean it. I mean, you are right now there, so why not clean it? When you do a job, do it properly. Perfect. A bit more cleaner to make sure that everything's nice. Perfect. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and as always, have a nice day. Part 2 is coming soon.